Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here. We're gonna have a ton of fun in this video and even get in the pool because we're gonna be checking out the new Dreame Z1 Pro Robotic Pool Cleaner. I've been using Dreame products for years with their robot vacuums. I've got one in my house right now. It's been great, but they also make robotic lawnmowers and pool cleaners that we're gonna test out. Big thanks to Dreame for sponsoring this video and sending over the Z1 Pro for us to check out. This is the world's first cordless robotic pool cleaner with a poolside operable remote controller, which means you don't even have to get into the pool. You can just point right at the robotic cleaner and point where you want it to go in case there's spills or dirt in the pool. You can even call it back to you if you want to pull it out of the pool. When it's underwater, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth just aren't going to work. So this uses Li-Fi technology. So you just point it at the robotic cleaner and you can tell it where you want it to go. So let's get into it. We're going to take a quick look at what comes in the box and then of course do some full testing of the Z1 Pro. Let's get started. Aside from the Z1 Pro, in the box you get that remote controller that charges via USB-C. There is a cable included as well, plus a magnetic charging cable for the Z1 Pro. And finally, you get a retrieval hook plus your standard booklet. The Z1 Pro is really premium and well made with a very sleek design. Up at the top, there's a light bar which will change colors depending on the mode that it's in. There is a mode button that you can press up at the top to switch between floor only, wall only, and more. That charger is so easy via magnets. Just set it anywhere near it and it will auto lock on and begin charging. You'll also notice a lot of sensors all around the robotic pool cleaner. So let's put it to the test. Let's get our Z1 Pro into the pool. When you have a pool, you don't want to spend your time cleaning it. You want to spend your time in the pool, swimming, relaxing poolside, playing games, and a lot more. And the Z1 Pro allows for just that. This is also the world's first robotic pool cleaner with a triple surround fusion perception system, what they call PoolSense technology. This is powered by AI and it essentially makes it the best at navigation, zoning, and path planning. You get comprehensive environmental awareness because it uses 3D structured light, TOF, and even ultrasound. For that object awareness, we set up an obstacle course and it did a really good job making sure to avoid anything that you happen to leave in the pool or anything that sinks down towards the bottom. As you can see, there were goggles, a little toy truck, and a lot of pool toys down at the bottom, and it completely avoided them. It did not suck them up whatsoever. If for whatever reason the Z1 Pro does get stuck, it will actually go into a wheelie formation and adjust the jets to make sure it can get out of whatever situation it gets put in. So no worries if there's any ladders or stairs in your pool. It knows, hey, there's no more space to go up the wall, so it will just push itself on off with the jets. This advanced system helps detect boundaries and edges of the pool and navigates to every corner with precision. Also, when cleaning the floor, it uses an S-shaped route to make sure that it does not miss anything while cleaning. And then when it goes up on the wall, which is crazy to me how well this actually works, it's so cool to see in action, it will use an N-shaped route for that wall cleaning. Also, a regularly missed part of the pool that gets dirty is that water line, because it might be a little less, it might be a little bit more, and there's always a line of dirt or algae on the side. Well, you can actually set it to waterline mode to clean only right there to make sure everything stays spotless. And don't forget, you get that remote controller as well. Like I said, using Li-Fi, you can remotely control the Z1 Pro for underwater connection. This will allow you to steer it in any direction you need to. It will spin clockwise, counterclockwise, go forwards, and even backwards. This is perfect in case there's a dirt spot or you spill something in the pool. You can point it right in the direction of that and get it cleaned right away with no hassles. That remote worked really well. Even when the cleaner was at 9 feet of depth, I was really impressed at the distance you could be from that cleaner and still be able to control it. And again, since it's a remote controller, you don't have to get in the pool. You can just stay dry right on the outside pool side. Aside from the remote, you can also use the Dreame app to adjust to those different modes, whether you want to go to standard, floor only, waterline focus, and just a complete continuous clean. Once you choose your mode, you can select setup where you get a few options such as suction power. Maybe it's really dirty and you need to go to powerful. Plus, you can set it to max clean instead of just once. There's even a periodic cleaning mode, so if you have a specific day you'd like to clean, a time, and the task that it's going to do. Once everything's in place, just hit start, and then all you have to do is put the robot in the water and select it's in the water. All of this cleaning is assisted by the 8,000 GPH of suction, which will eliminate leaves, dirt, algae, and other debris from your pool. The 2 brushless pump motors will vigorously scrub back and forth to get dirt that's stuck on the bottom and even the walls. And again, check out how well it securely latches onto those walls and makes sure to suction off any dirt or algae that's there. Also, it went over the filter and did a really good job staying attached to the wall. Even pool lights along the wall cause the Z1 Pro no issues whatsoever. When the Z1 Pro is finished cleaning, it has auto poolside parking. So it will go up, breach the surface, and park itself right on the side and just wait for you to pull it on out of the pool. It's so simple. So no, you don't have to go into the pool to get the cleaner out. And if for whatever reason you need to, you can connect that retrieval tool to the pole and just grab it with that. This can also be done with the remote with a button. Just press it, it will go up to the nearest wall and auto park for you. Again, this keeps everything hands-free so you can still relax, and when it's done, it'll park itself and just wait for you to come pick it up. Pressing a button reveals the filter inside, which will gather a wide range of the debris that is captured and all of the dirt as well. That filter will gather a range of debris, including small stones, leaves, sand, gravel, and even hair. It'll filter ultra-fine particles as small as 180 micrometers, ensuring your pool stays crystal clear and impeccably clean. And this filter easily comes out and can just be cleaned. You can hose it down or rinse it out. Charging is quick and easy. I love the magnetic port, and with 6 hours of charge, it will give you 4 hours of work time when in floor only mode. Also, don't forget you get that remote, which is another game changer because you can completely control your cleaner, specific spots, and more. And don't forget, this is all cord-free. Other cleaners have those cables connected to it. They get tangled. They're really hard to manage. And what's great about this is there's no need to worry about getting tangled when you're swimming while the cleaner is going. So yes, you can completely enjoy your pool while the Z1 Pro is doing its thing and keeping your pool spotless. And even when you take it out of the pool, there's still no cables to worry about, and that magnetic charger is so easy to attach. All of that coupled with a very premium look and design, a ton of suction to make sure everything in your pool gets nice and spotless. Overall, I've been extremely impressed with the Dreame Z1 Pro. That Pool Sense technology is a game changer for path planning and navigation. All of those features combined gives you a hassle-free and hands-free cleaning experience for your pool so you can enjoy it a lot more. So be sure to check out the Dreame Z1 Pro Robotic Pool Cleaner. I will link to everything down in the description of the video below. Drop a comment, let me know what you think. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching.